Good evening, friends. This is Chef Rakesh back with you. Today, I have been planning to discuss for all my friends what makes hospitality students or hotel management students successful. How can we use the same skill and the same mindset to succeed in these COVID times? You know, this is not going to last too long. Indications are already coming back. Governments are opening up the sector one by one, easing slowly into some sort of operational mode. So to be successful in hospitality industry, one very fine quality that you needed was very clear conscience and attitude, love for your job. Then hospitality students, they change their careers so often. The career steps are so वाइडली स्ट्यून अराउंड कई जगहों पे फैल के वो आज इस शहर में कल उस शहर में परसों दे आर रेडी टू विलिंग टू मूव अराउंड द वर्ल्ड दे आर ट्रू ग्लोबल मैनेजर्स ऑल द हॉस्पिटैलिटी बॉयज दे डोंट हेजिटेट वन मोमेंट टू मूव वन प्लेस टू अनदर टू in search of greater opportunity. So there you need to have that outlook for opportunity, right? Able to see the opportunity. That means you have to think positive, a positive thinking mind, a creative mind, a dynamic mind, which can reinvent itself at every step, is the success story behind every student. So like I have previously said, a true college, a true hotel management institution, a true unit will prepare students mentally. They will give them the ability to think, the ability to think smart, the ability to adapt, the skill set to manage themselves anywhere they go, and the mental ability, the toughness needed. Believe me, is not a mean task. If I ask you to change your bed and sleep another bed, you find it difficult to do. But hospitality industry students, they are ever so adaptable. They are ready to get into the industry. They are ready to go to any other city for greater opportunity. And you know, for 10 years, they move around. And that is the reason for their success, because mentally they are very adaptable. So in this COVID time, how you should be, to succeed. COVID has taken away your business. Now you are waiting for the demand to come back. The industry is waiting for the demand to come back. How will the demand come back? It's not in your hands. What is in your hand, you should be prepared to do. Government is going to open the tourism sector. The government has already started opening the health sector and related spa and gym, and hotels have got the order to start operating commercially. Now what happens is the business will have to flow in. What helps the business to flow? The tourism industry helps the business to flow. Now tourism industry not working, the hospitality industry is choked. The second factor which is hindering the hospitality industry is the people's confidence in a healthy, hygienic environment, which will prevent the growth of pandemic virus. Now, are you prepared? So these tough times demand more assets from you. Are you more skillful? Have you got more management skills? Because when the operational costs need to be reduced, the flow of business, the volume of business reduces, a fewer manpower will be required to run the show. Now, a lot of people are only good in one stream. They are not bothered about the financial part of the business. They say, okay, we got to work 9 to 5, 9 to 9. That's it. My job is done. No, it's not done. Now, at the time of COVID and post-COVID era, if you want to really succeed, you will have to understand every aspect of revenue management. You will have to understand every aspect of the business flow, the cash flow that comes in, the sources of cash. You have been trying to meet the demands of the public. Now, demand is not there. What are you supposed to do? You are supposed to create the demand. Demand will generate on its own if you can give the confidence. Now, larger level will take some time to come. Let's understand this. Nothing will happen overnight. How will you survive? Do you have the expertise in you, the willpower, the hard work needed to start a small micro unit? I'll be coming up with a next sets of videos to start your small micro units from home or from a couple of friends getting together, starting something. Now, how to plan that, the project work and everything in my next video will be there. But today I'm going to talk about what are the qualities that you should harness from deep within. Be dynamic. The environment has changed. Have you changed? No. You are still thinking of the same job that you were doing. How am I going to get back to that job? Forget it. The environment has changed. Change your mindset. Even if you go back to the same job, what is going to happen is it is going to demand extra skill set from you. Acquire those management skill set. Use this time of 2, 3, 4 months still pending, because I believe by December you should be in the groove of things, and by March everything will be flowing thick and heavy. So acquire those skills. It will take 2-3 months to understand those management basics of running a successful business, because at the end of the day, hotel is a business and you are the professional who run that business. So what is expected out of you? You should be good in all the departments. You should be able to understand the revenue management part of it. You should be able to understand the pricing points of it, so that operational profit is generated wherever you are there. And yes, you got to take the load and the burden. But mind it, if you called it burden and load, you are not good for hotel industry. Then you better go back to work some clerical job, because you should do it with pleasure. You should feel that feeling of owning the business has to come to make you successful. Now, revenue management and pricing points and all in student life you tend to neglect, because you think that's a top level management work and I'll go learn along as I grow in my career. But creativity comes from within. You have to be creative at every step. A whole unit of hotel functions so much on room sales, MICE, and event management. Now, there is one industry which is recession proof, that is wedding industry. But even COVID has put a stop to it. So think, the environment has changed so much. You will have to adapt to the new environment. Initially, there used to be weddings of 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 people. Be prepared to do that of 200 guests for next 3-4 days. A marriage used to get over within one day or maybe 2 days at the most. Now, same marriage has 5 to 6 days of functions, the hotel being booked, with so many events being managed by event management companies. Event management companies make it an elaborate affair over 3, 4, 5 gala evenings, 3 with the family members, 3 with the groom's family members, and 3 with the public. Even the public meetings and other things that used to happen in such a formal way has gone on to become massive grand things of business entity, to help them incentivize their staff workers, and conferences have taken a new dimension altogether. Now maybe the conferences will shift, and it has already shifted to online platform. But the pleasures of life is where hotel industry come in. And pleasures of life is where you make it happen. So adapt, be dynamic, acquire some skill set to change according to the changing environment. Look for opportunities. Only it's possible if you are positive. Believe in yourself. Yes, you have something which you can still give to the hospitality industry. If you take out one slice of 6 months out of your career, I think you should take it on the chin, just in a very light way. So what? 6 months gone. I discovered myself with my old time hobbies, some time with family and friend. You have been curving to have so much time. But don't waste it. Make it happen with an increased set of skills which hospitality industry will demand from you as soon as this COVID pandemic fades out. This is Chef Rakesh. I have been discussing about few very basic qualities that you should excel in. But whatever qualities you have, they will not come to the forefront if you are not happy with yourself, positive with yourself, and if you don't have a clear understanding of the environment in which you are surviving now. Because the same environment has generated so much new opportunities. You may not be able to say it now. So what is the way out? You just start discussing it with lots of your friends in different cities. Now, business opportunities in A-grade cities and metros are different than smaller towns. The smaller towns of the other states capital which are not a metro, like Indore, like Jabalpur, like Cochin, like Patna, like you have Durgapur, like you have Jamshedpur, like you have a lot of other cities in MP which are solely dependent on Tamil Nadu, which is solely dependent on tourism. Tourism is going to happen. You know what is the best thing that I've come across? And last week there has been surge in so much booking on online platform for people wanting to move out, recreate themselves, to enjoy themselves with nature. And it may be only 10% increase, but it's such a positive sign of mindset of people. You know, life has changed so much for a hotelier. The demand has been coming from the industry from so many corners. People don't like to cook their meals seven days a week because husband and wife both are working. So it's almost 3 to 4 meals that they purchase from outside. And see the new platforms. My friend who has been running a small chain of pizzerias and small ready-to-eat meal, he is still doing business of 10,000 rupees to 7,000 rupees a day today. He says, okay, I may not be making that much of profit, but I can pay my staff. So and he's happy about it. That's the most wonderful part. You survive today to fight tomorrow, and you learn today to excel tomorrow. So keep a positive mindset, believe in yourself, be dynamic. If you run out of ideas, talk to others, the peers of this industry, or still better, keep watching my video so that you are in that right frame of mind where you can straight away shoot whenever this pandemic fades out, which is due in another 3-4 months. Thank you so much for watching me. I'll be back with a micro unit establishing factors on demand of a couple of my students, and I will discuss what you need to watch out for, how to set it up, and how to start working on it. Be practical, because our industry is not about theory. Our industry is about being practical, hard work, and that gets you reward. Bye bye. See you in the next video.